Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple pipe with flange and we will learn how to use project curve or how to implement project curve in SolidWorks. So let's see how to make this simple pipe project in SolidWorks. Here we will create pipe with flange and we will learn how to use project curve tool or feature in SolidWorks to create this pipe. So here we will start with this front plane. This length 30 millimeter, see, and this there is one tapered line and this is 60 millimeter and the length horizontal length 60 millimeter. Then we will create pipe diameter. What is the pipe inside diameter? You will see here 15 millimeter and outside 17 millimeter. Okay. Now then in next top view you will see 65 millimeter, then 20 millimeter. So here I'll choose front plane sketch and I'll select here line, okay, vertical tape. Now let's define this line first. 30 millimeter. Now this line from here to here 65 and this vertical length 60 millimeter. Fillet 25 and this corner fillet 25 millimeter. See, this is perfect. Exit. Now I'll choose top plane sketch. Again I'll select line from here to here and vertical. Okay, let's define. First this distance from here same 65, then from here to here it's 50 millimeter. See, 20 millimeter. Fillet 25 millimeter, the corner radius. Say yes. Okay. Now simply exit. Now here we have two geometry, front and top. Now drop down the curve menu. Here you will find project curve. Now we want to create project sketch on sketch because there is two sketch. There is no plane we are going to use. So first one I'll choose the bottom one, this. If I'll choose isometric view, now you will see the preview how our pipe going to take the shape. Say yes. Now see, top plane sketch, circle. Now inside diameter, either put inside or outside, it's up to you. So let's say inside 15 millimeter, enter. Exit. Now I'll show isometric view. Okay, this perfect diametric view. Now here one option, swift boss base. Now here click profile. Now first profile, this is the R profile path. I'll choose this project driven curve. Now you will see it took the shape, but this is solid. So come down and here one option, thin feature. See, this is going outside. If you choose mid, see it's going, the thickness going to flow in both sides, but we need outside. So I'll keep one direction, 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter in both sides so that it becomes outer diameter become 17 millimeter. Say yes. Now let me hide. See how we created our pipe shape. Now let's balance things. Now this flange is 30 outside diameter, inside is already 15, no need to define, and at 12.5 there is a 12 number of holes with 2 mm and this pitch of this circle is 12.5 radius, so it's 25. Okay, and the thickness here you will show 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter. That's it, the simple project, this one. So I'll select this one, sketch, let's say 30 millimeter. Okay, and I'll choose inside circle curve, convert entities. Now see, if you go to feature and choose extruded boss base, see now thickness, keep end condition blind 3 millimeter thickness. Now it's moving outside, you will see reverse direction, say yes, that's it, a sketch. Now here we need to create a hole, either we can directly create or we will use in two ways. 25, click here for construction, circle 2 millimeter, enter. See, go to feature and select extruded cut. Now here keep end condition to next. If we choose next, it will cut up to back side of wall. Now see, let's drop down circular pattern. Here we need to choose pattern axis, either choose axis or any circular. I'll select this edge, equal spacing 360 the angle, and 12 number of patterns we like or 12 number of holes we like to use. Now this feature already selected, say yes. Look, now the same thing we will repeat for this circle 30 millimeter. Okay, convert entities. Now this time I'll put everything same here in one shot. 25, click for construction purpose hole, and here 2 millimeter, enter. Now I'll choose here circular pattern. Now in parameter delete, select this center one. You will see 4 number of holes. This one leave it 360 equal spacing. This is important. 12 number of holes we like to keep, so keep here 12. Here the circle is selected, say yes. Fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay, now this drawing is fully defined. Now apply extruded boss base. Now here see, everything included, 3 millimeter the thickness. So this is the two way, make it reverse, say yes. So there is a two way you can create a flange. Now let's apply raw material, polished steel, that's fine. See, so this is mainly for the purpose how to use curve project and create a kind of curve, even though you can create with the help of 3D sketch also. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like the video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.